Waffles? Who doesn't like waffles? You like waffles. I like waffles. Now, from the partnership with Hatco and Suntec, we have this beautiful Flip Waffle Maker. This makes Belgian waffles, each of them 1 1/4 inches deep. When you open it, pour in your batter, you close it, you flip it to evenly distribute the batter in and of itself so it gets nice and melty around the sides. The countdown timer starts counting down, and when that countdown timer is complete and it is done with its cooking cycle, wait a minute. You hear it, you see it, the waffle is done, you pull the waffle out. But not just that, if you like small waffles, waffles such as these, they look like bug eyes. These things, we do have an optional plate as well. This is an option, it's an accessory. It is whatever you would like it to be, but you can order it at the time you order your waffle maker. And I'm telling you today, if you order these with Hatco, we'll throw in this plastic fork. It's great for pulling the waffles out of there and not damaging the Teflon. See you soon.